Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Renee and today we are at Answers Gift and More. They are located at Tropical Plaza, so let's head on inside and see what they have. Wow, so far I'm seeing so many items. I don't know how I'll be going around to show you all these, but let me see where I can start. And I will just start over this section here where I see these look like some plant pots. $4,900. Yes, so you can get them like for $5,000 up, because these are plus tax as well. And you can get your gold decor pieces as well. This mirror here looks nice. This would look nice over a little dresser, or it would look nice in your entryway or so. So you can come on and check out Answers. So they have candles here as well in different sizes, and they have different prices as well. You can get them from like 1,000 something up. You can get $6,000, so it depends on the quality and the brand. Over this section is your knife where they have this Farbov wear knife set, and they have some that comes with some spatula and so for like 12,000 up. So these are plus tax as well, as I mentioned, so you can get them in different price range and different pieces as well. Over this section you can get your pans, your baking sheets, you can get your pot set. So they have different price range, they have different brands, different colors. So if you're working with a certain decor piece, you can come on and get it here. Some of these don't have the price, but where I can tell you the price, I will. Like this one here is for $6,700 plus tax. So you can come on and get your pot set. These are great gifts for someone that is just moving into their new apartment. Great housewarming gifts, so you can purchase these. They have these utensils here as well, and they have these kitchen or towel holder, or paper towel holder rather. They have this spice jar set here. This is, well, for me that have a lot of spices, $5,650 for this. So if you're a person that don't use a lot of spice, this one would work good for you. And they have more pressure cooker, they have more pots and pans here that you can get. So these as well are non-stick, and they have a wide variety of brands here that you can come on and check out. Over this section is like these kitchen utensils. Look at this mango tool. It's the first I'm seeing something like this. Let me know down in the comment if you have seen anything like this and what it's really used for. It's just a mango tool. Wow, that burnt orange pot set look nice. Let me know if you guys would come on here and check out their pot set. If you like colorful pot set, or you just stick to your regular silver or black or gray. $550 for this glass. So if you're looking for some glassware, you can come on and check them out here at Answers. Answers is one of those stores that I don't hear a lot of people talking about, and as you can see, they have a lot of items here, wide variety of products that you can get. Something like this wine rack would be great as well as a gift. It would be great if you're a person that drink a lot of wine and so you can come on and check them out with this one. You can get your air fryer, you can get your Instapot. This is only $13,000. So you can come on and check them out. They have these bins as well, stainless steel. Joseph. I think I normally see this brand in IKEA. When I'm watching those IKEA videos, and so I normally see Joseph in IKEA. You can come on and get your rugs as well. They have plain rugs, they have patterned rug. This one look more a little boho-ish. So you can come on and check out these rug section here. If you're looking for mats such as a kitchen mat, doorway mat, they have some here that you can come on and choose from. They have curtain, they have sheets, and so I'll go by that section soon and show you. I'm seeing this Joseph very often. The only place I see it so far was at Maxi. I saw a Joseph item there. Let me know if you're a Joseph brand. I'm not sure. I just, as I said, I only see it when they are doing the IKEA videos. Not very popular here in Jamaica. So by this section you can get your comforters, your towel sets, your bath mats, your kitchen curtains and other curtains. So these are all the items at that section. Here you can get this canister set as well. You can get other silverware, other cutlery. You can get pizza pan. There are so many nicks and nicks and knacks that you can get here at Answers. You can get picture frame, anything for the home. Answers have, as it says, gifts and more. You can come on here and get these greeting cards as well. You know, it's a long time I don't see somebody really buy a greeting card. Do you still buy greeting cards? Let me know down in the comment if you do. You can come and get your knives and fork and spoon set here, and they have other decor pieces. They have a section here where you can get items on sale, like that tray, decorative tray there you can get for 1,900. They have this it's a wine rack this as well. Whoa, so you can come on, that is for 12,000. No, you can get these bowls. So this is just the section where you can get items that are on sale. This bowl here, $4,375 now. Some of the things I believe are pricey based on the quality as well. So you know, if you come here, you're going to get quality. And these are so nice. If you're working with a blue decor, these are nice. And the original price 8,000 something. This one here 3,650. I get it now for 1,000 something. Not bad at all. So if you're working with a certain color scheme, you can come on and check out their clearance section here. The table here now is going for what, $32,000 now. So you can get your candle holders, your candle standers. So guys, come on and check them out. If you're new here, again, as I mentioned, I share home decor, DIY tips, tricks, and I'm starting to share a little day in the life so you guys can get to know me a little better. I posted that video some time ago. You can check out that video as well. And also please remember to subscribe down below if you love home decor, room makeover and all these contents. I just want to say thank you all for visiting my channel, and I love you all for the support that you have given me. So let's head on again back into this video, and I hope you guys love the items here that I'm showcasing here at Answers Gifts and More. This video is not sponsored. I just go around and show you people where you can get items, unusual places where you can shop home decor items on a budget as well. And for the persons that love to shop pricey items as well, I do show you those as well. Really and truly, I couldn't show you everything one-on-one. As you can see, there are a lot of items here. Come on, if you're looking for your colored kettles, so they have these red, they have those what you call that rust looking color, orange, you have that green color. So you can come on, these are oil bottles, decorative oil bottles that you can put on your counter as well. So Answers really do have a lot of items. I believe it's one of those home decor stores that is very underrated. I don't know how I never include them in my underrated video, just because I never remember about them for true. They're really underrated, guys. You need to come on and check them out. Over by this section they have utility cart. These, some person use it in their kitchen, they use it like as a bar cart, they use it to store their vegetables. They have different design. They have the larger size like this one over here. They have other glassware set at this section. These are great if you're, they have these dish rack. So they have a lot of items over this section. You can get microwaveware as well, toasters, iron. So they have small appliances here as well that you can get. This glass tray here, well, it's a candle tray with the glasses. You can get for like $4,000 basically. This is a soap dispenser as well. So they have so many items here, too many. Let me know down below what in here you see that you would come and get, what grab your eye. Let me know as well if you have ever shopped at Answers Gifts and More, and if you haven't, let me know if you would really come and check them out. So many glasswares. They have wine glasses. Look at this shelf. This is like a pantry. This is like a kitchen, not kitchen pantry. You can use this in your kitchen, like your microwave. You have the cupboard area where you can store stuff. So if you're lacking storage in the kitchen or in other areas in the home, in your bathroom, and you have space for it, that can be used. I hope I don't make this video too long because they have a lot of items here. They have these cups, they have those trays. You can get these bowls here as well. They have them in colors, so you can get your pink, purple, red, yellow. So you can come on and get these bowls as well. It's like a fruit bowl. You can do your salad in it. So yeah, if you're a person working with a certain color scheme or so for an event, this would be great as well. Over by this lamp section here, they have some lamps and frames on display. So if you need lamp, I need 2 lamps for my bedroom, you know, really and truly I need. It's not a want, it's a need. I need 2 lamps. I don't know where I'm going to purchase those as yet, but I need 2 nice lamps for my bedroom. Look at these dinnerware set. You can get them in dark colors, bright colors, plain color. This one looks springish, summerish, so this one you can get as well. They have them in sage. If you're a person who love the earth colors, you can get those as well. Over by this section, they have some bowls, like serving bowls. You can serve your sides in them as well. These are not bad. $5,009 for that set there. These you can do little macaroni in them in the oven. $5,900 for one. Over by this section you have smaller bowls as well and cups that you can use to do different baking in and also to serve your sides in. You can get your solid color plates as well there. When I say Answers really have a lot of things, they have a lot of things here, and really they have a lot of items here on special that are really marked down that you can come and get. The prices here aren't bad for a lot of them, like that platter there for $1,009. You can get them. I love those wooden cover canister set. Remember to comment down below what is your favorite piece that you will come on over here and get, and let me know if you have shopped at Answers. As I mentioned, Answers really have some beautiful items. I'm gonna go over the wine glass section very soon because I see some nice wine glasses that you guys will love. So let's check out that section very soon after this. These are on special here as well. $9,900 for that glass bowl as well. Jesse. if you're having a party, a wedding, you're hosting a little event, they have different wine glasses at different price range. This one here, let me see the price, $12,700 for this one. So if you know, if you're on the higher end, you can come and purchase that set. Well, one alone is for $12,000. So they have other cheaper ones like $300. They have these glass set for like $300 and something as well. So I'm going to show you the ones for $300 and so dollars. This one here is for $320. So you guys can come on and get your wine glass for a party or any event or any little get together you're hosting for the summer. You know, a lot of persons will be outdoor, especially when they are doing their patio makeover or they're by the poolside. You can come on at Answers and check out their wine glass section. $1,700 for that. It's like a butter tray. You can put your stick butter on it as well. And they have other wine glass in colors, so you can come on and check them out here at Answers. Remember, this video is not sponsored, so I am just sharing with you different places that you can shop. A lot of us are not really mobile. Some of us can't get the time. We work and we work 9 to 5, so sometime on weekends we don't really get the time. So I'm just sharing with you the places so you can have an idea where you can get certain items, so that when you're really ready to head out, you can say, okay, I'm heading to Answers to get this, I'm heading Fontana to get that, heading to All That Matters. So it's really to make your life easier and more convenient for you as well. These flower pots are really nice. So you guys, as I mentioned, they have so many items here. Come on and check out Answers. I'm just going to show you, they have some design wall arts and so on the top of the walls here. I'm going to show you them and then I head out. This picture frame here is on special no 13. If you're looking to add some nice decor to your apartment or your home, these are some nice wall art. I just want to say thank you again for watching this video, and if you love this video, you will love my video at All That Matters. So click the link above to watch that one.